They were once allies, trusted partners, working side by side. So, how did it all go wrong? How did Iran become America's greatest enemy? Before the conflict, before the tension, there was cooperation. In the mid-20th century, Iran and the United States were close. America supported Iran's leader, the Shah, a ruler who embraced Western ideas, modernization, and strong ties with the West. To the United States, Iran was a strategic ally in the Middle East, stable, reliable, important. But beneath the surface, not everyone agreed. Many Iranians saw the Shah differently. To them, he wasn't a symbol of progress. He was a symbol of control, backed by foreign power, disconnected from the people. And slowly, frustration began to grow. Then came the moment that changed everything. In 1979, the Iranian Revolution. The Shah was overthrown, and a new leader emerged, Ruhollah Khomeini. Everything shifted. The new government rejected Western influence, especially the United States. But the real break came soon after. Protesters stormed the U.S. Embassy in Tehran. Dozens of Americans were taken hostage. For over a year, the crisis dominated global headlines. Trust was gone, and in its place was anger. From that moment on, relations never recovered. Sanctions, threats, conflicts through allies. Decades of tension followed, each side seeing the other as a threat. But this wasn't just politics, it was something deeper. Power, influence, identity. One nation trying to shape a region, another refusing to be controlled. They were once allies, but one turning point changed everything. Because in history, the strongest relationships don't always end slowly. Sometimes they break in a moment. If you found this story powerful, subscribe to StoryVault, because history doesn't just tell us what happened, it reveals what could happen again.